day at Bangkok. We're going back to the Philippines right now. We're at the airport. Still don't know how to pronounce their airport's name. Roan. So we'll just check in. So, already past the immigration. No questions asked because we're leaving the country and we're returning to the Philippines. Okay, so these are the duty-free shops. The usual brands. Opo. Ayan po. So, pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Ito po si Ate Weng. Tama po ba? Si Stephanie at saka si Ate Teresa. Ayan. Kasama natin pauwi. So, na-meet natin sa Apo. Ayan. So, na-meet natin sila dito sa tour. So, pumayag naman sila na kasama sa vlog. Hi! We want to D4. But refund for tourists. So, around 100 baht din yung marirefund natin.
行业学到话6.1.980พร้อมแล้วที่จะออกเดินทางไปขอเชิญ DZ98
We bought this one. This one's delicious. Mango crisps with white chocolate. And then sticky mango rest. I haven't tasted this candy, but we'll try this one at home. Long queue here at Duty Free. Naman tayo ng burger. Bumili tayo. Chicken burger. For 180 baht. Mahal din ah. Burger na nabili natin kanina. Chicken burger. Ito natin. Iba pa rin ang burger sa Pinas. Kain. So ayun mga ka-Jomdi, tapos na tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand. So pauwi na tayo sa ating home country. So sa mga tuloy na nagsasubscribe, maraming salamat po. Sa 113 subscribers na tayo. So sana mait natin yung 500 no? This year. So, yun. Nag-enjoy naman ako sa Bangkok kahit mag-isa. Kahit medyo malungkot wala kasi sila yan. So, anyway, maraming salamat sa subscribe at sa panonood. So, sa muli, ganito na lang muna. Paalam!